Hi, this is Mohammed Umair again with you with a new topic on body language. It's a very common observation when we visit someone's home and they were not happy with our visit, even though they serve you a good food, but in somehow by observing their behavior, you analyze that they were not happy. So this is the kind of things that what's the body language we're going to talking about today. It's a something which your body express, which is something which your body speaks, which you cannot speak from your mouth, but your body speaks, and you observe by someone's behavior. In the same way, when you come back from any gathering or something, you start thinking that in that gathering I was ignorant, I was being ignored by the people, and I felt that the people was not enjoying my company. So this is the common things which we are observing in our daily life, that it's going to happen. So what should we do? We should start complaining or we should start changing. Once someone said that you cannot cover the whole world with the carpet, but you can wear slippers. I will recommend you 8 most powerful tips to enhance your effectiveness of your communication by using your body language, which may help you to increase people attractions towards you, and they attract towards you and they will be more happy enjoying your company. First thing, join the team. When you reach to anywhere, when you reach any anywhere of the gathering, join the team immediately by shaking the hands, but not waiting. The people will stand up for you and they will shake hand with you immediately like that, and they will do attempt first like that. Don't do these kind of things. Just don't wait for these kind of things. You should be the ones who start first. So then again, the second thing is become more comfortable for others. Like I mean, what's mean of comfortable? Comfortable means like something, like the people should not feel that you are arrogant person. They will not be afraid of you. They will not afraid of you to talk. They will not afraid of you to start talk, like this kind of thing. They feel more comfortable that this guy, okay, I mean, it's understandable. It's look like very lean. It's look like very humble. This kind of thing. So just show your comfortable behavior. Start seeing to them. Start watching them what they are talking about. So maybe they will invite you to join the conversation. The third one is powerful pose and be confident. When you sit in front of someone, your pose should be more confident. Means you should show your power pose. You should show the pose where you feel, where you will be more confident. That you have to observe by sitting standing in front of mirror, that in which pose I will look more confident. So this is the third step. So what about the fourth step is be a soft speaker. Like when you speak something, when you deliver something, so you should be more kind. You should means you should use soft words, and you should be a more soft speaker. You should be a soft speaker, that people will not feel that this guy, he starts like screaming, and he's when we start communicating, I mean, they will feel that it's like people start attracting towards you because of your voice, like this kind of thing. So to be a soft speaker, when you start, means support your arguments with proper evidence, proper things, what you have. Don't raise your voice unnecessary. And then the fifth one is be a good listener. Not sure that I am hearing something without any attention. If someone is telling you, you should pay your attention. If someone is telling you, you should be like, okay, yeah, you're listening something. Don't be like, okay, yeah. Don't show like this kind of behavior. So this will be very unprofessional. That will be like people don't like this kind of behavior, and then they will not like to talk to you anymore. Then the sixth one is, which is most important, that use your communication, support your communication by using your hands, by using full face expressions like that. When same like me, that when I'm delivering something you guys, so then you I'm supporting, I'm stating something by using my hand, not just that I just put my hands like that and then I am just explaining, which is something like you're just reading something like. So be like that. So support your communication by hand. So the sixth one is that be presentable but not cross your hands, because not cross your hands means you should not, when people are telling you something, say when even though you're listening, but don't cross your hand like that, because this will show some negative defensive gestures. That means that you are ready for the counter attack. So then these kind of small things you should take care of that when you start communicating with something, your body language. The third one is a face expression. The body gesture, the face expression and the body gesture is something that you should communicate. You should support your communication with your face expression and with your gestures. So I mean, about body gestures means like uh, uh, don't be standing like in an improper way. Don't show your face like when you're listening something, you should not make your face like that. You should not make like that. Then that people feel that you what you're saying that they're not understanding. So then you have to take care. So these are the eight effective tools, tips which I am giving you, that which is enhance your communication. And this is the more essential part of your communication. The body language is the essential part of your communication. If you miss that essential part, so maybe your communication will not be effective. So you always try to use these eight steps and put in your conversation. So I believe when you follow these eight steps every time, so you will get the results, and people will give very good feedback about yourself. Thanks and goodbye.